I know many residents have been asking how the works are going on at the Windsor Leisure Centre. Councillor Karen Davis previously explained how we've accessed the public sector decarbonisation fund to essentially replace the entire energy systems in the leisure centre. I want to focus on the three benefits that are mainly coming through. The first is there are new air handling units for the swimming pool areas, which will reduce humidity and improve the quality of experience in the pool areas. Secondly, we're installing new hot water tanks, so the hot showers will be consistent and hot for users. And then thirdly, air handling units across the entire centre are going in, so the studio experience will be more comfortable. So it's really good to see RBWM investing in the cleaner, greener borough. This will reduce carbon emissions, reduce costs and improve the health and well-being of residents for years to come.